Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to do the Airtel 4G speed test comparison between the Oneplus Nord 2 versus the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus device. As you can see, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, which I'm trying to use right now in the demonstration, and I did select the Airtel SIM card during the process of demonstration. So first let's open the RX Monitor application just to show you. So both phones are connected to the Airtel SIM only, and there is no carrier aggregation in this location, which is an indoor location, which I'm trying to do. So at this point, sometimes randomly I'll be getting the 4G plus, not every time. So let's see what is the band both phones are connected. The OnePlus Nord 2 is connected to the Airtel LTE 2100, as you can see, Airtel. And where is the Samsung phone? I think Samsung phone also got connected to the same kind of band, as you can see. It's 2100. As you can see, 2100. So both phones are connected to the same band. So now this will be the really good interesting test. Let's see what happens if both phones are connected to the same kind of band. So how much speeds we can actually expect. So this is a perfect test, perfect scenario. OnePlus Nord 2 versus Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. So OnePlus Nord 2 versus Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. So both phones, there is no 4G plus coming, so both phones are having same kind of band only. Not bad. So we're getting about 3.13, and slightly the OnePlus Nord 2 little bit got more speeds in the downloads. So this is a test doing at same time. So I need to do the individual test separately, so then we might get the different results. Let me need to go to the now let's do the individual test. Let's see first in the OnePlus Nord 2, and now we might see slightly improved speeds. As you can see here, the speeds now, there is no 4G plus. There's no 4G plus. Only 4G coming in the OnePlus Nord 2, and we are getting speeds about close to 17-18 Mbps of speeds. As you can see, this is a OnePlus Nord 2, 17.33, not bad. As you can see, friends. Let's see how much the Samsung can actually score. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. So this is going to be really very interesting to see how much Samsung phone will be scoring at this point. So once after the upload speed finish, I'll try to start. Yes, now let's start in the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Let's see what happens now. And in the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, right now the speed started to increase and it's going slightly up, and speeds went up to 9, 10. So same band and same location, we are seeing the different speeds. As you can see, friends, the OnePlus Nord 2, so 17.3 versus 12.0 the speeds, and upload speeds are slightly better in the Samsung phone, little bit, as you can see, slightly, when compared with the OnePlus Nord 2. So this is a complete 4G speed test comparison between both phones, as you can see, friends, clearly. I'm trying to do the one more time. Let's do once more, no problem. Yes, individual test again. So during this 4G test, usually the phones will definitely get heat. On the back side, you can see how much the temperatures are. 38.2, and Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus also getting heat, 38 degrees at this point. Not bad, as you can see, 37.8 and 38 degrees. So 14 Mbps is upload speeds, and download speeds, and upload speeds are kind of close to 10 Mbps of speeds we are getting. Let's see, friends, how much the OnePlus phone can actually, this Samsung phone can actually get at this time. So both phones no 4G plus, but in the outside sometimes the 4G plus will be supported. So you should not be worried about the 4G plus at all. So right now in the Samsung, we'll be able to see the speeds. So the speeds started to increase in the Samsung phone, Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Slightly they will try to increase again, as you can see. They're trying to increase little by little, but still only 3.68 Mbps in this location using the Airtel SIM, as you can see, friends, exactly. So this, friends, is a quick comparison, and overall I did feel the OnePlus Nord 2 has got slight advantage in terms of the 4G speeds using the Airtel SIM card in this location. That's the one thing which I can definitely do the confirmation. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, signing off, and let's see the speeds finally, and then I'll try to say the bye. Now increased, and now it got increased, not bad. So let's see the results. What is the results? So previously 14 Mbps, 17 Mbps of speed. 17 is the highest, but still the Samsung phone did not reach that 17 anyway. As you can see, slightly got better, but not much. So friends, the OnePlus Nord 2 has got slight advantage in terms of the 4G speeds. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Friends, and stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.